Assalamualaikum and good morning. We are from group 7 and today we'll be presenting the summary of article number 7, the rise of machine learning in marketing, goal process and benefit of AI-driven marketing research. These are the list of our group members. Next. These are the proof of our meetings. Next. And this is the contents of our article. Next. So for the introduction, here we reviewed and summarized an article entitled The Rise of Machine Learning in Marketing, Goal, Process, and Benefit of AI-Driven Marketing by Alex Murray. This article explained the application of machine learning in marketing, which there are several main topics divided by the author that includes diffusion of machine learning, goal of machine learning for marketing, process of machine learning for marketing, benefit of machine learning for marketing, and AI-driven marketing model. Next.
In this advanced era, there are many explosions of data touchpoint, digital and increased expectation of customers in interaction, content, and offer personalization. This will cause the complexity of marketing professional increase. They also realize that machine learning will be the one that will cope with the level of complexity. So the diffusion of machine learning can be described in three key areas, which is inside marketing technology, across functional marketing, and along customer journey. Next. So the first one is inside marketing technologies. AI can be seen as a whole. AI can be seen from social media to paid media. This ensures that AI is involved in the whole functional area of digital marketing. For example, Maurizio Mediano, head of data analytics at Mediacom, reports that the programmatic media buying is the most recognized case in machine learning for marketing. The programmatic media buying will reach customers based on their past history with highly targeted banners as the advertisement. The design of content, social media, and service management that is characterized by the relationship between the brands and the customer is another example of cases to place AI in human activities. There is a test and control study involving online advertising performance that is conducted by 6 popular brands across Europe. The result shows a difference in terms of cost per action (CPA) when the manual process of advertisement is introduced with ML-driven bidding, improved targeting, creative optimization, and affection. All of these examples prove that with the use of machine learning in performance marketing will produce a good results. Unfortunately, the return of investment (ROI) is differ by the company, activity, and data mindset of the organization. Thus, it is difficult to initiate the effectiveness of these machine learning technologies. Next. The second one is across-functional marketing. Based on the figure here, AI and machine learning is recognized by the managers where it gives unreasonable return on investment in the field of SEO, performance marketing, marketing analytics, and paid media. In addition, machine learning will promote massive potential to many organizations where it is immersed in any marketing technology and will make employees more productive and will produce a happy customer. This statement is said by Claudio Crivelli, Director of Innovation and Transformation of Salesforce. By enforcing an AI strategy, the companies will earn direct advantage. An AI strategy will describe how models are built, whether it's built internally, acquired from third parties, or run as a service as a response to business needs. Moreover, the use of marketing technology that is enforced by AI components will benefit many firms indirectly. Thus, the combination of AI technologies with marketing will contribute to the influence of machine learning in marketing. Next. So the last one is along customer journey. AI is not only included in different stages of consumer journey, but it is also involved in individual and systematic implementation. For example, at, at Amazon, the shopping experience for customer is designed by algorithm at each step of the journey, which include passive search to re-engagement as stated in the figure here. Amazon has also initiated new ML-driven services such as programmatic sampling, beside the typical recommendation of retargeting algorithm. The purpose of programmatic sampling is to tell the customer about the new products and target the audience to give free a sample of product. In a conclusion, Jim Stern states that the whole marketing process is not working if only one algorithm is written and the algorithm need to be altered in order to improve the marketing process. So next.
So next, I'll be continuing for the goal of ML for marketing. So, according to Mari 2019, humans or employees and machine rely on each other to build their strength in deciding the complex choices that are achieved by partial automation for routine tasks, optimization for non-routine function, and augmentation from the marketing activities done. Hence, there are three goals for ML of machine learning for marketing, which is automation, optimization, and augmentation. So the first goal is automation. Companies can apply automation in delighting the customer by providing services that involve in automation proactively aside from the passive automation that apply in the internal processes of the company which cannot be seen by the customers. For example, Vodafone, as they have a chatbot named Toby as the AI full self-service solution that provide the customers a personalization of recommendation with more than 100% conversion rate in comparison to 80% of resolution rate of the answer key requests in their websites. So this is the example for the customer-facing automations. So next example is Google. So they have an AI assistant named Duplex, which this assistant will able to manage service requests independently, including services such as appointment booking and personal agendas management. So this example is showing the ultimate and ongoing decision at scale. Machine learning represents a very potent tool for companies seeking to interact with consumers efficiently. So the third example is wall.com. They use automated bidding feature produced by Google for advertisement of video and display. It is beneficial for their company as 38% of customer acquisition cost is reduced and approximately 10 hours of times for the team member is saved monthly, besides an estimation of 35% of Amazon's the next optimization. So algorithm of artificial intelligence are being used for optimization in reducing turnaround time, overhead, and improving the output, which then will cause a better productivity for the marketing process. So for example, Ollie's. The skin advisor is based on an application that will make an analysis of the face of a woman in determining the age of their skin and providing the recommendation for the suitable products. So this caused their company to have the conversion rate twice over with the engagement to the consumer for about 4 million. So next example is Low. A retail service robot named Lowbot can answer to customer questions in more than 50 languages, in which this robot can also do the scanning of errors or problems on the shelf, including wrong prices, out-of-price products, and sold-out items that can help the employees to do the other services with added value. So the third goal is augmentation. So the application of augmentation from my eyes sometimes can be seen in certain organizations other than automation processes. So the purpose of most companies using AI is to be able to manage a high number of customers without hiring more staff, as mostly marketing organizations are using AI for the tasks that need to be repeated, which can ease employees to do other work that need a higher level of
problem solving and empathy to solve the customer's problem. So machine can also help human improving to make a conclusion. So for example, the adoption of AI in contact center operation. So this will help in inquiry collection and resolution, whereby the latest platform is able in extracting pieces of information in real time from both verbal and textual conversation for the prediction of customers' action, which then help the agent for the suggestion of best next best action that includes provide free shipping or 0% financing offer. So the next example is Mine, which these apps or tools will help combine both human and AI in the same live chat for customer service, whereby when the bot cannot answer the unstructured dialogues, an individual will take charge the issue. Implying this hybrid process gives a great benefit as the cost can be reduced and customer satisfactory is accomplished. So next, I pass to Aina.
Moving on with the process of ML marketing. So as consumer expectation grow for more personalized and relevant assistive experience, machine learning is becoming an invaluable tool to help meet those demands. So the development of customized or personalization is a non-stop loop that suggests companies the opportunities to engage customer personally and to form a self-encouraging relationship. AI contributes to automating, optimizing, and augmenting three fundamental marketing processes, which is data collection, insights gathering through data analysis, and customer engagement. Next. So, first and foremost is the data collection, exploration, and integration of data. In order to bring in exclusive brand experience, the technologies are required in the use of customer-specific data. AI algorithm learns initially by processing the data, and they are not built smart. The machinery of artificial intelligence facilitates companies to power, enhance, or enlarge the method of data gathering, analysis, and loading. No company is expected to succeed without making a strategic use of collected data. Another common belief in the says that once a machine learning model is automated, it continues to trigger campaigns over time without human control. The so-called garbage in and garbage out, meaning what bad input will result in bad output, syndrome will greatly affect the machine learning algorithm. The next step is the action. After the data collection, algorithm can absorb live data, analyze it, and then convey real-time action. Between the others, artificial intelligence assists companies to power, enhance, or enlarge the method of scoring, aiming, and campaigning. Maurizio Migiano from Mediacom said, which quote-unquote, marketers can apply ML to data in order to reverse engineer digital consumer journeys to determine which tactics and strategies have previously led to a positive outcome. For instance, predictive campaigns need individual data in exchange for a personalized shopping experience and merchandise recommendations parallel with the user expectations. The last process is the interaction. After action process been through, interactions are the center of contact, the rising expectation of today's associated customer. User anticipate companies to deliver intelligent personal experience each and every time this is required. In particular, AI helps companies to automate, optimize, and augment the process of generating meaningful interactions anytime and anywhere while delivering the best next product, content, and offer. It is crucial for managers to require knowing exactly why, when, and how to captivate with customers by guessing the development of an interaction on numerous channels. This process of ML marketing is beneficial for the consumers as it delivers a better support on instantly express the needs and the expectation of the unstated ones from a longer term standpoint. Moving on to the next slide.
Okay, now let's take a look at the benefits of machine learning for marketing. So what are the benefits of machine learning? So the vast majority of existing cases can be categorized based on the capacity of the technology to do three things. So that is predict customer preferences, anticipate customer needs, and also hyper-personalized communication. Oh, sorry, next. Okay, next. Okay, so what is predicting customer preferences? So predicting customer behavior means delivering at the right stage of consumer journey the best value proposition. So machines can help managers raising the difficulty level of cross-channel customer interaction today and to make more reliable forecasts of consumer behavior. So basically they use the previous history of the customers' preferences and the behavior to make more reliable forecasts for the future. Okay, so number 2 is anticipating customer needs. So what is anticipating customer needs? Means anticipating the demands that influences the correct price for delivering the best goods and services. So machine learning strengthens the business goal of anticipating customer demands as required to separate services and re-architect business model from ground up. Next. So hyper-personalized communication. So message hyper-personalization is delivery of the relevant messages at the right time and channel. The overall aim of hyper-personalized communication is to have personal, individual, and seamless interactions with the client you serve. Okay, next. So AI-driven marketing model. Now let's take a look at the marketing model. Next. So AI-driven marketing model is a conceptual framework that defines the critical steps of an AI-driven strategy in all its essential questions. Of 3 main essential questions include what, how, and why to infuse machine learning into a marketing process's sequential steps. So designing an AI strategy requires managers to fully analyze marketing requirements in terms of, as previously discussed in the previous slides, automation, optimization, and increase relative to the search benefits of prediction, anticipation, and customization. So digital marketers use data to deliver personalized and contextualized brand messages that draw on previous consumer experiences. Like I mentioned earlier, it uses the previous consumer history and to make more predictive and enhance experiences that could build deeper one-to-one relationships with the consumers. Next. Okay, so this is the model. So let me explain in more detail. Okay, so as you can see here, the AI strategy requires the managers to systematically evaluate the marketing needs in terms of automation is the goal. As you can see under the goal, there's automation, optimization, and augmentation in relation to the search benefits of prediction, anticipation, and personalization. So furthermore, if a successful machine learning powered companies turn data into seamless interactions with consumers in semi-automated and real time, these predictive and augmented experience build deeper one-to-one relationships with the consumer, which can improve omni-channel customer experiences and drive product differentiation. Okay, that is one of the most important marketing excellences that needs to be done. In this respect, implementing an AI strategy is less about developing algorithms and more about building relationships that balance the strategic goal and process and also the benefits of AI-driven marketing. Okay, next.
So in conclusion, applying the AI approach is not solely focused on creating algorithms, but prone in developing relationships that maintain the planned goals, processes, and advantages of AI-driven marketing. AI need human to operate them. Hence, the balance between human-centric activity and AI system is needed in machine learning. So that's all from us. Thank you.